With shape twinning, you can change one object into another. Let us try.
See, shape twin. What is shape twin? In shape twin, one object changes into another object. Like a pentagon is there, so pentagon will change into hexagon, or a triangle will change into hexagon. So how it will change, that you can see virtually, visually, and that only is called shape twin.
Select the text tool and choose text, then go to size, then go to 44 from the main menu and select text, then go.
Okay, first we have to select text tool, then select the text here, set the size to 44, select the text color, okay, select bold, italic, underline, whatever options are there.
Go to style, then go to bold to make the text thick. You can also select the font, size and style from the properties panel. Click on the text fill color in the properties panel.
Yeah, we can also select the color.
The color palette will be displayed. Select any color of your choice. Type the text on the stage in the first frame of the main timeline. Select window, then go to align. In the align panel, select the two stage button. Click the align horizontal center button and align center button. Close the align panel. Move the pointer at frame 49 and right-click the mouse. Select Insert Keyframe option from the pop-up menu.
Yes, after modifying the text, then we select frame number 45 or 50 frame number, and we press F6, or we can right-click and select Insert Keyframe. Okay.
Similarly, insert blank keyframe at frame 24. Type some new text and then align horizontal center and vertical center.
Yes, now this time we have inserted a blank keyframe.
Select the text in frame 24, then select Modify, then go to Break Apart.
See, now this time we will change this text. This time we have written splash. First time we had written flash. So now splash, we will change it into a symbol. We will go on modify and then select break apart. It will change into image.
Break apart the text in frame 1 and frame 49. Click between frame 1 and frame 24 in the timeline. Go to Properties panel and select Shape from the twin drop-down menu.
See here.
Then click between.
In the property panel, the twin option is given. In the twin, we have to select shape twin. Remember, not motion twin. We have to select shape twin.
Between frame 24 and frame 49 and select Shape again from the twin drop-down menu. Select Control, then go to Play option from the main menu to play your animation.
See, as you can see, one text was changing into another. Flash was changing into splash.
Students, let me quickly tell you that F7 is the shortcut key to insert a blank keyframe. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter.
So, students, that was all about the flash. Okay. So, let us now talk about the exercises. The chapter is finished. Now we talk about exercise and then we can close.
Flash is a powerful fill in the blanks.
Yes, now we have the first exercise, fill in the blank. So let us first see the hints and then we can fill one by one. First is Flash is a powerful animation software. What will we fill here? Animation.
Animation software.
Yeah, so fill here animation. Then after that, developed by, who has developed it? Can you see here? Animation Adobe system. Garvit Kushwaha. Don't write on the screen Garvit Kushwaha. Erase all the things, otherwise I will remove you. Garvit Kushwaha.
Sir, Garvit and Hers.
Yes. So we write here Adobe system. Check the answer. Oh, sorry, something wrong is there. So let us check again. Animation and then Adobe system. I think the spelling is correct. Adobe system. Systems. Yeah, yes is there. Now it is correct. Now second, the dash is the arrangement of various Flash elements such as tools panel, control panel, property inspector and windows. So it is
Work area.
workspace, not work area.
Workspace.
It is workspace, okay? Workspace. Next, the dash is the large white space that is seen at the center of the workspace. It is
Stage.
stage. Very good, stage. Next, the gray area surrounding the stage is called the
Work
area.
Work
This is the
area.
work area, okay? Next, the dash is a fixed window that stays on top of every object in the workspace. It is
Timeline.
timeline. Next is the dash are like multiple film strips stacked on top of one another, each containing a different image that appears on the stage. So it is layers. Yes. They are also called transparent sheets. Okay. So this is about fill in the blanks. Let us see the next.
State true or false.
State true or false. The shortcut key to import a picture is Control G. It is false. Next, rotation handle cannot be dragged clockwise or anti-clockwise.
False.
Next, radial gradient changes color in an outward direction starting from the focal point. It is
True.
Next, the default stage size is 515 to 400 pixels.
False.
It is
True.
Next, tools that are used for drawing, painting and selecting objects are present in view section of the tools panel.
False.
Next, Jonathan Gay is considered as the main programmer and visionary of Flash.
True.
It is true. Very good. So let us now proceed.
Application based questions.
Application based question. This you have to think carefully, okay? So Mohit has created an animation file using Flash. He wants to convert an object to symbol using shortcut key. Which shortcut key should he use? So you can write here F8. Which shortcut key? F8. The shortcut key to convert into symbol, the key is F8. Okay? Kindly fill it. F8. The next one is Chetna created a file in Flash and saved it in her computer. Next day, she was unable to find the same file. Suggest her using which extension she could easily search the particular file. So you can suggest her the extension name of Flash is .fla. .fla. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The
Yes,
extension
sir.
name, the extension name of file
Sir,
to
check.
search is .fla. So this is the answer. Kindly all of you fill in your book. You have the books with you now? Fill it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Multiple choice questions.
Next we have multiple choice questions, MCQs. First question, what are the little rectangular cells called that appear on the timeline? So it is frame. Next, which of the shortcut key is used to insert a frame? F5.
F5.
Next, which shortcut key do we use to convert an object to symbol? It is
F8.
Next, which panel acts as a storehouse in Flash? It is
Library.
Library.
Next, which shortcut key is used to play the animation in Flash? It is Control
Control enter.
plus Enter. CTRL
Control plus enter.
Next, which is the extension of Flash? Dot
Point FLA.
Flash LA.
So that's all about MCQs.
Answer
Yes, sir.
Now these are the questions. Listen, okay? This you have to answer properly. You can find the answers from your book and answer correctly.
Yes,
okay?
sir.
What
Yes,
you
sir.
know about Flash? So you can tell Flash is an animation software developed by Adobe System, and it was formerly known as Macromedia Flash. Then what is the difference between frame and keyframe? So frame is little
Sir, we have to
rectangular
write the big answer, na?
yeah.
Sir, we have to write big answer.
Yeah, you have to write the answer as per what you have studied in the book, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, second question. Let me discuss first. Second question is, what is the difference between frame and keyframe? So, frame is little rectangular cell that appear on the timeline. But keyframes are the special type of frame where we define some change in the object. Listen once again. Frame is little rectangular cell that appear on timeline. But keyframe is a special type of frame where we define some change in the object. Third question. What does the property inspector display? You can say the property inspector displays the settings to change the size, color, and to modify the object. Okay. Fourth question, what do you understand by gradient? So you can say gradient is a mixture of two or more than two colors which appear dark one side and lighter another side. Fifth number question, how will you rotate an object? To rotate an object, we can first click on free transform tool, then we will find a rotation handle. So we can select the rotation handle and drag the object clockwise or anti-clockwise. Then next, sixth number question, how will you import graphics from another file? So this is long step that you can read from the book, okay? Just now I told, so you can read from the book and write. Next, what do you know about animation? So you can say animation in Flash is created with the help of successive frames. Animation in Flash is created with the help of successive frame. Or you can say it is collection of still images, still keyframes. When one frame changes the another frame, or when the object changes the frame one by one continuously, it is called animation. Listen once again. In Flash, when object changes the frame one by one continuously, then it is called animation. What is tint twinning? Tint twinning is a special type of twinning in which the object changes its color automatically from one text to another. Okay, tint twinning, the object changes its color automatically from one shape to another. So that is the question. This you can further read in your book and then write the correct answer with the correct spelling in your copy. Okay, children? And one more thing.
Sir, we have to write answer in one line or sentence in our copy.
Yes, write not only one line or one sentence, the correct answer, full answer, okay? Not only one sentence or one line. Write the full answer. What is the correct and full answer? That you have to write. Don't.
No, sir, this is other question.
Sir, E1 is answer in word one or one sentence.
This is answer the following, not other question, okay?
Yes, sir.
This is answer the following. Who is saying other question? It is
Sir, one exercise is given in book to answer in one word and one.
one word is different. One word is different. That is not this question, okay? That is not this question. One word is different. That you can see, read properly and then answer, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
And if any problem, if you find any problem, you can message me on my WhatsApp. All the students, can you listen to me?
Yes, sir.
If you find any problem in any question, or if you don't know the answer, or if you don't find the answer of any question, you can message me. I will give you the answer. Okay? But first you try to find in your book. Can you find?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
Yes, sir.